Hello garden lovers, welcome back to Homespot. Today we are turning absolutely free fallen twigs and simple jute cord into breathtaking rustic stars and beautiful flower ornaments. Grab some sticks from your yard and let's bring some natural, eco-friendly magic to your outdoor space right now. Start with the ultimate classic, a simple 5-point star that instantly elevates your garden's rustic charm. Just overlap straight, sturdy fallen twigs at precise angles and bind them securely using tight, traditional crisscross knots with your natural jute cord. It is beautifully straightforward, timeless, and surprisingly durable outdoors. Let us craft a stunning daisy using a flat, tightly wound spiral of thick jute cord as the heart of the bloom. By securing slender twig petals radiating outward from his fibrous core, you create a gorgeous textural contrast that looks absolutely wonderful resting anywhere in your backyard. Add beautiful movement to your porch or favorite oak tree with this dramatic hanging starburst mobile. Bundle thin twigs together and tie them fiercely in the center with coarse jute, forcing them to fan out into an explosive three-dimensional shape that sways perfectly in the gentle afternoon breeze. Celebrate summer vibes all year round by creating a stunning rustic sunflower. Weave a heavy, dense, circular mat of natural jute to represent the seed head, and tie thick, short twigs tightly around the entire outer edge to form the iconic, densely packed petals of this beloved flower. Combine garden beauty with practical function by building a large star trellis. Lash long branches into a classic star framework and press the bottom points firmly into the rich soil. Soon, vibrant climbing vines like morning glories will weave through the rustic structure, creating a stunning vertical display. Bring a unique touch to your flower beds with these stylized rustic tulips. Gather slightly curved short twigs and bundle them tightly at the base using a thick wrapping of coarse jute cord. This creates a natural cup shape that stands beautifully alongside your blooming real perennial flowers. Capture the magic of a garden breeze with this whimsical twig sphere resembling a delicate dandelion puff. Insert dozens of thin twigs into a tightly wound central jute core. The radiating spokes create a surprisingly light and airy visual texture that looks totally enchanting mounted on a stake. Bring a sense of absolute zen to your pond edge with a handcrafted lotus flower. Arrange concentric rings of twigs angled slightly upward upon a woven jute base. This symmetrical, organic design beautifully mimics blooming lotus petals, blending perfectly with the reflective water and lush surrounding green plants. Guide your evening strolls beautifully by lining your garden path with these rustic star markers. Mount simple 5-point twig stars onto the tops of tall, straight branch stakes driven into the gravel edge. Their geometric silhouettes create a charming, welcoming atmosphere leading the eye through your twilight garden. Transform your bare patio wall with a stunning bohemian masterpiece. Weave and knot natural jute cord intricately around horizontal twig supports to form a beautiful floral pattern. The detailed fiber work combined with raw wood elements instantly gives your outdoor living space a cozy, relaxed, and stylish vibe. Catch the magic of the outdoors with this intricate dream catcher star. Build a rugged outer twig frame and weave a complex, spiderweb-like pattern on the inside using fine jute twine. Hang it from a rusted hook against green leaves to showcase the fascinating contrast of geometry and webbing. Illuminate the night by upgrading your classic twig star into a magical glowing ornament. Carefully weave thin, battery-operated copper fairy lights directly into the jute cord wrapping. Hanging from a tree branch, it casts a gentle, cozy sparkle that highlights the textural complexity of your beautiful rustic creation. Turn an ancient tree trunk into a canvas with a massive, highly symmetrical flower mandala. Arrange varied twigs intricately and bind them with precise jute wraps to create a giant botanical pattern. It looks incredibly striking against the chaotic, deep textures of rugged bark in the forest shade. Build a functional piece of art by lashing thick twigs and heavy rope together into a hollow, three-dimensional star. Place a simple outdoor LED pillar candle inside the center. As evening falls, the steady glow beautifully illuminates the complex, rough wood textures from within, creating a calming atmosphere. Introduce delightful movement and soft texture to your yard with whimsical tassel flowers. Attach large, fluffy tassels crafted from frayed and combed jute cord to the tops of long, slender twig stems. Planted in clusters, they sway beautifully in the breeze, resembling dynamic, blooming ornamental grasses catching ambient light. Capture the afternoon rays beautifully with an intricately woven sun catcher. Build a round twig flower frame and fill the interior with complex macrame-style jute weaving, leaving small geometric gaps intentionally open. When hung from a branch, sunlight filters through the open weaves, casting gorgeous patterned shadows around your garden. That wraps up our journey into crafting beautiful garden stars and flowers using just fallen twigs and jute cord. We proved that adding rustic charm to your backyard does not have to cost a fortune, as nature provides the best materials. If you love these easy DIY ideas, please hit that like button, subscribe to Homespot for more outdoor inspiration, and comment below with your favorite design.